Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to set up Face Unlock on TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus. Face Unlock is a feature that lets you unlock your phone with your face. It will just open the camera and look at your face. If it's you, then it will unlock it. When you go to the settings, you can go to password and security, then go to Face Unlock. You need to enter your lock screen password to be able to continue. It's a security thing, and then you can enroll your face, so you can set it up. Now it's going to tell you that you should make sure that the recording environment is well lit and free of direct sunlight, the camera is clean and your face is not covered with anything. And then the you should face the screen and keep your entire face within the recognition area. So now when I click on start, I should position myself in front of the phone, maybe a bit closer. Yeah, and it's enrolled. Now I have two settings to change. I can select to unlock directly or stay on the lock screen. I'll do unlock directly, which means that if it sees my face, it'll automatically go exit lock screen. It'll go further. And if I click on stay on the lock screen, it will unlock it and I will need to slide up to go further. Then there's security restrictions. And according to relevant regulation, the active face unlock, to activate face unlock, the unlock password needs to be verified under the following situations. One, when it's turned on, the screen is locked or inactive for 4 hours or is not unlocked for 24 hours. And when it's turned off, the screen is not unlocked for 72 hours. Now, so it will maybe sometimes ask you for the password, basically. Now, you can see I looked at my phone. It didn't go further. I probably... Okay, it recognized me, but I think I didn't set the setting correctly, finally. Like, in the end, it's... yeah, I wanted to unlock directly. So now when the phone recognizes me, I don't know why it's not recognizing me. Yeah, you can see it goes further. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.